So right beside me, I have the Acer ConceptD 500. This is a desktop PC that's aimed towards creators. They actually announced this back in April, but are finally selling it today. I like the design. It's very clean, it's minimalistic, has this white look to it. You have contrast by using the wood panel color on top. You have a place to charge your smartphone wirelessly. Tons of I/O. It includes an SD card slot for creators that need it. You have a place for your headphones, which is also a nice touch. Specs are pretty good. i7 9700K, 32 gigabytes of RAM. You have 2 drives, and you even have a powerful RTX Quadro 4000 GPU. But that's where the good things end, because the price of this thing is $3,750 US. Now, I have no problem recommending a product that costs that much, but the price needs to justify the means. Because if I was to build this myself, it would cost $2,100, and I would have better parts inside of my PC than this guy. Now, I know some of you don't have the time to build your own PC or the know-how, and some of you feel more peace of mind when you purchase a pre-built from a manufacturer because you get better warranty. And usually there's a price premium associated with that. But when the price is almost double the cost, that is absolutely absurd. This should only cost $600 to $700 more than a PC that I built myself. To put this into more perspective for you, if I was to go to another company that offers pre-built systems, let's say like Puget Systems, I could get the exact same specs with a more powerful GPU, the RTX 2080, for $3,300. To make matters even worse, an iMac is actually the same price as this, but with a more powerful CPU. The i9 iMac with the most powerful GPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a 2 terabyte hard drive costs $3,750. But you also get a built-in 5K Retina display. This does not come with a display. If you want to buy their 5K ConceptD display, you're gonna have to dish out an extra $2,150 US. Now, I wouldn't be as harsh if they built this from the ground up, but all they did was take a regular PC case, put plastic paneling around it to give you that oval look. Inside, the components are nothing special either. These are standard off-the-shelf components. I even think the CPU cooler is the stock Intel cooler. Now, I know I sound harsh, and yes, I did confirm with Acer that this was the actual price point. Whoever priced this product should never be allowed to price anything ever again for Acer, because that person essentially just priced this product completely out of the market. No one is going to buy this for that price point. The value is just not there. This shouldn't cost any more than $2,700 to $2,800 US. Now, I'm nominating this as the biggest ripoff of 2019. If they decide to lower the price to something that's more respectable for the specs that it offers, I'd be happy to review it again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Acer, I apologize. I know there's a lot of great people working there, but sometimes you make mistakes, and this happens to be one of them. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.